Hey guys, welcome back. This is the other part of my order from Evermoment. Damn, I wanted to check if they are open now, because the last time they were not. Let me just quickly check. Nope, still closed. Okay, I will link the store in the description box for when the store opens again, which will hopefully happen, because you never know in these times. So 2 paintings. This is painting number 1, the big one. Yeah, this did tear the bottom piece, but it's okay. These are shipped very, very well, so I'm not worried. This is the second painting. Focus. There we go. So the smaller one, let's start with that one. Oh god. I have to really get rid of my nails because I'm like totally handicapped. Oh god. Okay, hold on. Let's use some tools. Come on, almost there. There we go. Okay. So let's get everything out. The Evermoment bags. I love these tools. A gift, which is actually some tape. Toolkit is iconic of Evermoment. They have an awesome single placer, 3 placer and 6 placer, and a lovely boat. Some very sharp tweezers, and of course some wax. So let's have a look at the okay. A little surprised about the colors, but okay, yeah, this looks more like it. So 2 bags of colors, and of course the painting. This is the image. Sorry for the camera shadow. This is the image, and yeah, I am starting to collect like a lot of the neon with a black background paintings, and I just love it. 37 colors in this one. Need some space, and this is supposed to be a 40 by 55. I guess this is like my favorite size for a diamond painting. I don't know why, but it just fits my table easily, and it is large but not too large. Oh yeah, that is all the 3/10. Okay. Canvas is in excellent condition. Oh yes. This is very, very cool. Lots of 3/10s. Lots of 3/10s. But I don't mind the color blocking at all. Okay. And let me lift this if I can with these nails. and let's show you part of the canvas, if I can live still. It's pretty good. More tree tents. Yeah. Okay. So I'm guessing 3 tens are the winter color. Let me see how much I need. The 310. Wow. Okay, that is a whole lot. Yeah, should I do inventory or should I just continue on with the next one? Because the rhinestones are always perfect. It looks like all the 310s are in here. That's why I was kind of like shocked when I opened this. I was like, is this the black painting? But all the 310s are in here. I've never had an issue with every moment of colors missing. So I'm just going to skip the inventory, and if there are any issues afterwards, I will leave it in a comment section. But I guess you'll only find a link to their store. And let's move on to the next painting. When I saw this, I was very much in a St. Patrick's Day mood. Oh yeah. This is a 50 by 70, so it is quite large, but the image was just too perfect, too perfect. Let's keep everything together. Yay, more bags. Another toolkit, exactly the same. A bit more wax this time. 2 pieces of wax. And a red washi tape. Oh, the other one is red. Never mind. Wait, did I forget to measure it? The other one was a 45. Or was it? Was it a 40? 40 by 55. Yeah, sorry, 40 by 55. Okay, so this is 40. And this should be 55. Perfect. Okay, so let's see how many bags. Oh, just 2. Again, very colorful. Lots of greens. Oh man, look at that. It's a lot of rhinestones. Okay, so are you ready for the image? Oh my god, I really, really love this image. Sorry, as I am looking at it again, this is just the cutest Irish kitten I've ever seen. So I had to get this one in like a big one because I do really want to hang this painting when it's finished. 44 colors this time. I mentioned that. Let's create some more space for this big one. Okay. So here it is. Again, the canvas looks absolutely perfect. Which part will be the top? We'll see, we'll see. Oh wow. I'm guessing this is the top. There is a hat. I can't wait to remove these nails. The image is actually quite hard to see. I mean, it is hard to see that this is a rainbow right here. And yeah. But I'm pretty sure it will look amazing. Because Evermone paintings always look amazing. And a quick look at the... It's a lot of confetti. Not a whole lot of color blocking. It's okay, I have the other painting to do that, so... Awesome. Let's check the bottom. There should be some cute little white feet. Over here. And over here should be a pot of gold. Oh yes. Oh wait, here's the image of the rainbow. A bit more clear. Yeah. A lot of confetti, I'll show you. Again, sorry for the shadow of the camera. But that's not what this is about. As you can see, it's a lot of confetti, but that's totally fine. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so this should be a 50 by 70. Yep, that's 70. And 50. Exactly. And again, I trust this. I trust the inventory is complete. Main color. There isn't really one. 939 is the main color, which I'm guessing is green. So, oh, and 310 of course, because the kitten is black. Just one more look at this cute image. This is like so cute. So I'm hopefully, I hopefully will finish this painting for St. Patrick's Day next year. But I'm pretty sure with the current lockdown and whatnot, there's not much else we can do besides finding time to help other people if you can, which is not easy, I know, and entertain yourself at home. So I hope you guys all stay safe and healthy, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys very soon. Bye!